I think every client, every case is different. And so you cannot apply a cookie cutter approach to everything. You need to think strategically. You need to think efficiently on how to solve the problem. And so I think every case is new and exciting and gives you the opportunity to figure out what the best result is for that client, because not every case requires the same strategy. It requires different strategy and different tactics and techniques. I come from a military family. My dad was a naval officer. His dad was a naval aviator. So I'm the first Marine in the family. My grandfather's in the Army, but being of service is part of what our family does. So going into law school, I thought I would be either a judge advocate or JAG in one of the services or an FBI special agent. My grandfather was an FBI special agent. So I thought I was going to go on one of those two tracks, and it ended up being with the Marines and the Judge Advocate program there. The sense of service, being part of something that's bigger than yourself, and then being around the best, in particular with the Marine Corps. That was definitely what drew me to it. The challenge, the Marines that you got to lead as an officer, and then the legal skills that you were able to develop as a Judge Advocate. You take responsibility for everything, and if you view things like that, I think you're a much better problem solver. And so solving problems is a core of what lawyers do for their clients. So just having a lot of responsibility early on forces you to be a really good decision maker, forces you to look at problems creatively and try to solve them. So that's what one of the main things I think that carries with me every day. At the end of a case, I hope the client feels that we zealously advocated for their position, that we solve the problem, whether that's litigating a case through trial or finding a creative way to resolve the case before trial, but that they step out the other side, that we fixed this issue, that this was solved in the best way possible, whatever the result, and that they know that we're sort of a go-to to help them going forward.